What's up, everybody? This is Chris German, aka the Real Binary Master. Guys, on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a Raceoption account and everything to do with Raceoption, how to get it funded, and how to take your first trade. So let's get into it. So if you're going to create an account, ask you the person that sent you this video, or ask your upline if they have a referral bonus, because race options and some of the brokers give you anywhere from 100 to 200% matching bonus when you're getting started. So right here, you're going to see in the top right hand corner, it's going to say register. You're going to click on register. And you're just going to fill out the basic information. And then it's going to ask right here if you have a promo code. If you have a promo code, you're going to click on it. You're going to enter it. And then you're going to click, I have read and agreed to terms and conditions. I confirm the service, and then click next. And when you click next, it's going to bring you, let's just so it says, don't miss this offer. Fund your account now. Use this promo code. Get 3 risk-free trades. So I believe you can only use one promo offer at a time. I personally like the 100% or 200% matching bonus because that gives you more leverage to take trades. So if you have $1,000 investment or $1,000 initial investment, you're going to get matched, say 200%. So you're going to have $3,000 now, and 1% of a $3,000 account is $30. So you'll be able to take anywhere from $30 to $90 trades compared to, with $1,000, you're leveraging 1% would be $10 to $30, 1 to 3% for using proper risk management, guys, because that's what we're also focused on. We're also focused on proper risk management, taking 1 to 3% risk per trade. So now that we're in here in the back office, let's show you how you would fund it. So you would click on account funding. And it's going to take you here. It says your total deposit. If you're going to deposit less than 1,000, you put 500. If you have a promo code, you would enter your promo code here. Here it's saying that there's a matching bonus of 150% already, so it's going to give me a total of $1,250 to total trading deposit that I'll be able to trade with. Now with the deposit, with the bonus, excuse me, you'll never be able to withdraw that money, but it's there for leverage, so you can make money off of the broker's leveraged money that they've allowed you to use now, that they gave you for the bonus. Now, a unique thing that is to know, with the bonus, when accepting a bonus, you have to roll over 3 times your initial deposit. So, $1,000, you have to roll it over 3,000. If it was 3,000, you'd have to roll it over to 9,000, and then from that point forward, you'd be able to in the clear to withdraw. So, let me see if I can go back. So once you put the amount that you're depositing, you got the bonus in there, and then you're going to click on the funding method, right? I always suggest to use Bitcoin because it's the fastest way to get started, right? Bitcoin is so quick and easy, and in addition to that, they're giving you another 5% bonus on top of the 150%, so it'll be a 155% bonus. Which, hey, I'm all about the extra money, guys. So the 5% bonus is just a little bonus for using Bitcoin. but also it's going to reward you too because of how quick you're going to be able to get started and start trading with us. So then once you click on Bitcoin, you click fund the account. And if you don't know how to buy Bitcoin, guys, there's a quick video tutorial to how to buy Bitcoin. I personally use Coinbase to as the exchange where I purchase Bitcoin. So here it is, guys. So if you guys know how to send Bitcoin, then you already know what you would be doing. But for those that don't know how to send Bitcoin transaction, what you'd want to do is you want to copy this address, copy, and then you'd want to when you're or you could copy this, click this, and it would copy as well. You see right down here it says address copy to clipboard. So you know that it's copied, and then you would go to your Bitcoin wallet, and then that would be the address you would click paste in the sent spot. So if you're going to send it out, you would just click paste. You would double check, make sure that, I always double check, make sure the first two and the last two match up. So under where you send it, it would say 33 and then C4 for the last two. So always double check because Bitcoin is irreversible. So always double check that you have the right address in there. So that's why I just copy it and paste it in there. Then I would rather like not write it down and put it in there manually because one, that's a massive number and you don't want to make any mistakes. So just click copy, make sure you double check, then click send, and boom, 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes if the blockchain is backed up, you guys know how it is. It could take up to an hour or a little bit longer, but don't worry. Once you send it to the appropriate address, it's going to be funded with your bonus, and you're going to have you're going to be ready to get started and trade. So right here was how to create a video, or create a video. Excuse me, guys. Right here was how to create a Raceoption account. Now I'm going to log into my other account, and I'm going to show you guys how to take a trade. So here I am getting logged into my other account. I want to share with you guys how to how to take a trade. So now that we have our account funded, we want to get to the bag, right? So right here on the left hand side, it says currencies, and here you have the USD versus SEK, USD versus RUB, USD versus JPY. You have all these different currency pairs that you can trade. And if you look right here, there's a percentage next to them, and that's the percentage that you're going to be paid out, right? So if we clicked on, let's see, okay, Euro GBP is paying 85, Euro AUD is paying 82. Let's click on Euro GBP. Okay, so now that we've clicked on Euro GBP, we want to take a potential trade on Euro GBP. So what we do anyway, I should say, is I trade on the Turbo, which Turbo gives you anywhere from 1 minute up to 30 again. But intraday gives you the ability to trade on the hours. You're able to trade 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And what you would see is it would say, you see how this number right here says 23, 45, 30? So when this would say 2400, say this says 2400, which would be 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Here, on intraday, when you scroll down, it would show you 2500, 2600, 2700, and you could take hour per hour if you wanted to trade intraday. Turbo, however, is just the 1 minute through the 30 minute, and guys, that's what my focus is. That's where I'm trading. I'm trading anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to do a 1 minute. I always have fixed time on. You see when you click fixed time on the checkbox right here in the blue, and you see right here this little arrow up down. Make sure, guys, the right price is in here that you want to risk. On a proper trade, we're risking anywhere from 1 to 3%. Also, you can manually type it in. I would recommend just double check and triple check and quadruple check and make sure that that's correct, right? That's what you want. So Euro GBP, we're going to enter a 1 minute buy just so you guys can see. So price we entered at 752. Now if price is above 752, by the time this expires, 2347.38, by this time expires, then we have won the trade, and Euro GBP is paying out 85%. So 85% of a dollar is 85 cents. So we'd be profiting 85 cents. Our total payout would be $1.85. Say we come out of profit again, like this, we can click roll over. What rollover is going to do is it's going to give you an extended amount of time. It's going to give you another minute, and then from there it doubles, so it'll go to 2 minutes. But a key factor to remember when coming to rollover, guys, rollover is 30% more risk every time you click that button. And I want to show you guys. So say you see we rolled it over, it didn't change the time, but I know that I clicked it. So I'm going to click open to make sure the time is changed appropriately before clicking it again. Okay. So now before it said 23:47:38. Now that it says 23:48:38, we know that we got the minute, and now we know that we got 28 seconds left to clear this trade. Our entry price was 7.52. The expiration price is currently 7.55, 7.54, and we got 18 seconds left in the trade. So this is our expiration time here, and we can check where the time is here. So as long as price is above our entry of 7.52, because we took a call, we're going to win this trade, which is pretty exciting, guys. There was no analysis about this trade. This was just a demo example. I wanted to show you guys how to take a trade. So we cleared that trade, guys. We got paid out $2.41. I'll show you right here. Right here, Euro GBP. We got paid $2.40, guys. So now, if you want to take, say you're looking, so remember this, call equals buy. So green call is buy. Red put equals sell. So Euro GBP, we're going to take a 1 minute sell here. A 1 minute put, 1 minute sell. You see how it's refreshing and it hasn't acted like it registered? Just click open or refresh your screen. Sometimes this will keep spinning. If this keeps spinning, refresh your screen and it will stop spinning. So here our start time was 49:22. It's at 49:48. Our expiration time, because we took 1 minute, is 50:22. We entered at 7:55 and we took a put with no analysis. We're just doing this for example. So our sell entry came in at 7:55 here. And let me refresh this because I want to see. I want you guys to see it clear. Right there, guys. So Euro GP, I know it's loading, but the screen right there, you guys can see we just cleared that trade as well for $1.85. So we took two examples. We cleared both examples, which is pretty cool because there was no technical analysis behind it at all. Uh, Another thing, guys, is when you're trading the pairs, I like to trade anything 70% or higher, and you can tell what they're paying percentage out right here. So USD CAD right now is 64%. I'll stay away. Um, Euro GBP was paying 85%. That's why we took those setups on Euro GBP, or took the trades on Euro GBP, because the 85% is really good. Now, right now is a weird time because we're coming out of the holidays, or we're still in the holidays and we're moving into the new year. The big banks and institution investors aren't really in the market, so the payouts right now are not as well or normal as they are any other time of the year. Normally, they're all paying out anywhere from 70 to 85%. And right now, this time of year, right now, we have seen a lot of lower operating percentages. So just keep that in mind, guys. Also, remember to refresh your screen every hour. That way, every hour the percent changes. So Euro GBP might be 85% right now, but next hour it might go to 75% and something else might move up. So just always keep that in mind, guys. Always remember, if when you click on a rollover like I showed you and it doesn't show the time, just go over here, click on open, and it will come back up and show you that the time was added on. If you notice that the time wasn't added on, then go ahead and click rollover again for the second time. Just remember, each time you click rollover, it's a 30% more risk. Um, and always remember proper risk management, 1 to 3% per trade. Remember, guys, going into the market is always want to be in a positive mind, have fun, be vibing high, have high vibes, and and guys, this is how simple binary options trading can be, guys, and it's really really fun. Um, you guys got to catch our sessions. Coach Carver, Thomas, he's an amazing leader, done a lot for us, and he's a hell of a binary trader. I mean, this guy is a beast. We have Harish, Sniper H. He's an amazing trader. These guys are people you're going to want to be around and trade with, guys, because they are bomb traders. And guys, I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys at the top.